What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on ATER ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental analysis of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my technical analysis and the forecast for the probable price action. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, from February 2021 till September, till end of August 2021, this company lost more than 95% of its value. And for now, during last month, it has a surge in price for more than 275%. So really impressive number. And I have to say that right here, from the beginning of August, we started to see this huge spike in volume right here, and then at the end of August, with this massive movement to the upside, we can see much higher volume than it was even at the beginning and mid of August. That's why we are nearing the point of interest. We were nearing the point of interest right here, and for now we are moving higher. So I will show you my technical analysis in several minutes, and let's continue with some fundamental news. First of all, let's start with the company profile. Aterian Incorporated, together with its subsidiaries, operates as a technology-enabled consumer products company in North America and internationally. It provides Artificial Intelligence Mohawk e-commerce engine, a software technology platform which uses machine learning, natural language processing, and data analytics to design, develop, market, and sell products. For now, this company has the total market cap of $414.66 million. They have a revenue of $216.6 million with a negative net income of $164.02 million. They have very good revenue growth of 42.81%. And they have a decent cash position of $61.93 million with a total debt of $82.75 million. So, from the financial standpoint, at first glance, this company is not really impressive because they have only $61 million of cash position, with the total debt is higher than this number. And basically, it has a negative net income. But still, it has a very good revenue growth, and we have to dive deep in their financials and in their business model in order to understand what is behind the scenes of this company, in order to make our own decision to invest in this company in the long term. But for now, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter, at least for the short period of time, because this company has a very good short squeeze potential. As you can see on stocktweets.com, this company has a second place in the watchers section, and it has a very good potential of short squeeze because of this number. As you can see, the short float is 27.59%, and this means retail investors can squeeze all institutional owners that have a short position on this company. And let's continue with this news. We are on seekingalpha.com, and this article was published on September 11th, and it's titled "Artificial Intelligence Investments Will Likely Push Aterian's Price Up." And let me quote you the summary. Aterian supplies artificial intelligence, machine learning, and massive quantities of data to global e-commerce brands. Remember that what really matters is not the company's products, but the company's ability to sell to consumers exactly what they need. Third-party vendors need to sell in online retail channels such as Amazon.com and Walmart, in which Aterian has a lot of expertise. With weighted average cost of capital of 5.5%, a multiple of 45x, and a terminal free cash flow of $15 million, I obtained an equity valuation close to $550 million. I expect sales growth of 7.5%, which is closer to the expected growth of the e-commerce market. Capital expenditures would increase gradually from $0.09 million to $0.5 million. So, this article is quite bullish on this stock, and I have to say that this article has a really detailed analysis. And let me show you that estimation of share price has a 50% upside potential with the price target of $15. And I have to say it is a bullish case for this stock, and here is the bearish forecast. Pessimistic case scenario implies an equity valuation of $10. So for now we are hovering at the level of 12.15, and this means we are almost in the middle of these two ranges, and you have to be cautious because of this. And let me show you TPRank's forecast. As you can see, 4 analysts made the predictions of this company, and 3 of them suggest to buy stock, 1 of them suggests to hold, and the average price, the target price, the low estimation is $5.5, average price is 7.88, and high estimation is around $10. So this means all of these analysts made their analysis before the surge in price of this company, and that is why we have the rating buy. 3 analysts suggest to buy, but the price target is lower than our current price. That is why you have to be cautious. And let me show you institutional owners of this company. We have a lot of filings right here, and green rows indicate new positions, red rows indicate closed positions. And we have several new filings, and I have to say that if you divide the value of a new position by the number of shares, you can find the average price of this position. And I have to say that latest average price is around $14.6. This means a lot of these investors bought the stocks of ATER ticker right here, somewhere at this plateau, and then we had this decline in price, and for now we have very good movement to the upside. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that it is quite tricky to make the Elliott wave breakdown, but in my opinion we have something like this. On a slightly greater scale, we have this as our first wave, this is our second, and we are forming the third wave. Then we have to have a retracement and fifth wave to be determined in the future. And let me show you in details what type of breakdown we might have with this movement. So, in my opinion, on the smallest scale right here, we have something like this. This is our first wave, second. These 3 movements to the upside is the entire third wave. This is the fourth one, and this might be the top of our fifth wave, or potentially we might have one more leg to the upside. It's not so important for now, and I will show you in a minute why. So, as you can see, we have this volume that is higher than previous one. This means this might be the third wave, and I made this projection as the third wave. So, in slightly bigger scale, let me downgrade this degree. In slightly bigger scale, we might have something like this. This is our first wave, second. This entire movement is the third one to the top of the fifth wave, or potentially a little bit higher. Then we have to have a retracement, and fifth wave will be the top of this third wave on a slightly bigger scale. So let me upgrade a little bit degree of this wave, and here it is. So what to expect next? In my opinion, on Monday, basically today, we might have some consolidation phase right here, or potentially we might have a shape of triangle in order to make the retracement to the fourth wave on this scale, and potentially we might land at these levels. I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top of the internal wave, and let me show you in details. And we might land, if it is the very top of this movement, we might land at the levels of 0.382 and 0.5. As you can see, we have even a support line right here, that was the resistance, and right here also we have a confluence with this bottom of the fourth wave on a slightly smaller scale. And from this point we might have a new attempt to go higher with the support of stock tweets community and from retail investors. And when we hit this top, I will show you in a minute what might be the price target. So to project this price target, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the second wave. And as you can see, the most probable level is $17.4, and we might hit it right here, or with the extension in fifth wave on a slightly smaller scale, our third wave might hit even $24.82. But it is not the most probable outcome. Nevertheless, it is still to our main targets. So we have rather good potential to enter the position on a red candle, and if you believe in this company and if you are risky enough, you can ladder your buys down, and depending on your entry price, your potential profits might be, let me show it to you, about 63% to the first target, and let me show you on the second target, about 135% to our second target. And I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. This asset is quite risky because we are a little bit overvalued right now. We have more steam from the fundamental standpoint from this company, and that is why you have to be cautious. But if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!